Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Friday, the 18th of November. This is our weekly recap. It goes out to all my members and for you guys for free. And if you'd like to join us, please come over to smartoptiontrading.com and click on live trading alerts and join us for $25 the first 30 days. First thing to members, make sure you're in Discord. Just in case anything happens where Twitter's down, you can get a hold of us. We could be good. Let's talk about this week. The week that was before we go into next week. It's been a very choppy week, right? And basically we've traded in this range and we just haven't gone anywhere. And we've held the 8-day now twice in the last 2 days, and we're still trading this range as we go into a bullish week. Next week is a short week. We have 3 days. Thursday, the markets are closed for Thanksgiving here in the US. And then on the 25th, it's a half day. So it's a short week, and typically it's a bullish week. We do have a couple of data points that are going off next week. We do have, for example, we have the FOMC minutes will come out on Wednesday night, Wednesday afternoon at 2 o'clock. That will be heavily scrutinized because, well, we're going to scrutinize everything that comes out, right? That's just what we do. What else do we have? Monday is quiet, Tuesday is quiet, and Wednesday is the only thing we have anything on. Then Friday is obviously nothing going on. It's a very quiet earnings week as well. And typically it's a very, very bullish week in the markets. So what's leaning good for us? The oscillators have cooled off. We are on the negative side of neutral now on the New York Stock Exchange, just positive here on the NASDAQ. We are still in the same range, and you're trading on an island. These candles for the last week and a half, you have a gap below, you have a gap above, and you're basically trading on an island. The question is, which way are we going to go? We're going to go up or down. 200 days still coming down. That's your next target. To the downside, if you break this gap, obviously we lose everything and you have an uptrend here. And the market remains okay. What was in play this week? It depended upon the day. There was different days, there was different things. Monday, Netflix was a great trader, and now it's fallen apart, right? So you can look at Netflix, look at this beautiful ramp up, put a new range high in the gap, and it's come back in. Meta gave trades all week long. I had a great time on Meta today, but couldn't hold. Google gave trades this week. Apple has held in better than most. It's been very great to the long side. The semis with AMD had a nice couple days. NVIDIA held in, right? We saw some action there. But overall, the market has been quiet. Retail, Walmart's holding in well, right at this resistance. If it breaks above there, it can run. Target's been decimated, but trying to come back here. It's already halfway through that gap. Go figure how that happened. Ross Stores was off the hook with earnings, so was Macy's, right? So you had some good earnings in retail. Amazon remains a hated stock here and is drifting lower. Tesla remains a hated stock here, putting in a new 52-week low today. Just is where it is at this point. Not much else to say about that. Energy held in most of the week today under the 8-day. You need to be cautious there. And in general, the markets here is basically saying, I don't know exactly what I want to do, but it knows it's going into a bullish week, and we'll see what we get from here. So probably charts on Sunday morning, and then we'll see where we go from there. And I wish you guys all a wonderful weekend. And if you're not paying attention and you're not around next week, have a very, very happy Thanksgiving weekend with you and your family, and to those who celebrate it. For you guys in the room, back on Monday morning, and let's get at this again. Have a good one, guys. Take care, everybody.